Today we're going to look at the Ford Focus cabin filter. It'll be under the dash on the passenger side. Let's get it on it and see what we can find out.
Let's take a look way up in here, way up in there. We gotta undo that screw right there, pop that cover off, pull out the air filter. Very tight space here. Get that screw out. This pops out of here. It's pretty long, and find that filter inside here. Let's see how dirty it is when we get it out. Oh, it looks to be dirty. Don't even know if it's going to come out in one piece. Be a tough one. So it comes out like an accordion. You squish it together. It's very flexible. Take it out of here. See all the dust? We're due for a new filter. We'll get that ordered up. Compress it together like an accordion. Slide it back in. Put the new one in. Put the cap back on. And there you have it. New filter change for a cab filter.
That's the cabin filter. We'll need a new one.
After you put the filter back in, the clip mount slides underneath, and you got your one screw to go back in. See how easy it goes back in? Put the screw back in here, and there you have it. Filter replacement for a Ford Focus.